Hi, I'm Peter Ehart. I am a product engineer for Lowe's. My key responsibilities are testing all of the private brand items that Lowe's sells. And today we have a 3-inch pneumatic cutoff tool. What's nice about this tool is it's actually halfway unpackaged, which is a nice feature because you can actually feel what the grip's going to feel like when you're actually using it. So let's get started. Let's unbox it and we'll go from there. So let me grab my utility knife. And a lot of people have issues opening this packaging. It can cause frustration. So there is a nice feature to unpackaging this. So let me show you guys. So first step I usually do is I like to go around the entire front face instead of fighting with this outer seam. Should just come right out. On the back here, we don't want to forget our manual and our tools that are also included. So let's just go around the edge without cutting our manual. Put that aside. Here's our instruction manual. As well as our Allen wrench and wrench. So let's take a look at the tool. Overall, the tool has a great feel to it. It has a locking trigger, which prevents the blade from accidentally engaging. It has a 1/4-inch NPT pipe thread. Also has a nice feature which enables you to lock the blade for easy blade change. So let's take a look at how easy it is to change the blade. So the first thing you would want to do is make sure the blade is locked. You will pull down the engagement lever here and rotate it to the far right. That locks the blade. The next steps you'll do is you'll take your hex key out of the packaging, as well as your wrench. You will turn clockwise and remove the screw. Put that aside for now. We will take our wrench and we will turn it counterclockwise. Put that aside. Make sure not to lose the washer. Grab a new disc if needed. Put the new disc on. Grab your washer. Grab your nut. Turn it clockwise. Be sure to snug it up. And then take your screw and turn it counterclockwise until it's hand snug. And then tighten it down. Next thing you're going to want to do is push down on the engagement locking trigger here and turn it counterclockwise until the blade can free spin again. That's how you change a blade on this Kobalt air cutoff tool. So this cutoff tool is great for cutting off muffler hangers as well as cutting mufflers. You can also cut angle iron or even thin sheet metal. This tool also offers a nice forward and reverse feature. To change the direction the blade spins, you quickly just switch over the lever and now you're in forward or reverse. If you've already got an air system set up in your garage or your home, this tool would be great to add to your lineup. With the 1/4-inch NPT pipe thread, which is standard on most air tools, you can quickly thread on a quick disconnect, hook it up to your air compressor, and you're ready to run in minutes.